What's going on, guys? Let's take a quick look at this well thought out nightlight offered by Casper. So here is a quick look at the nightlight. It's very simple. It's just got, prongs on the back to plug in, as well as a switch to activate the two modes. This nightlight is really nice because it's backlit, so it's not harsh on your eyes when you're sleeping at night or in the room. So you can see that the light shines towards the wall and not towards your eyes. Also, the two settings is really nice. It's got the night owl mode. So basically it's got a motion sensor built into the nightlight. And so when you walk it by, or if it detects motion in the room, it'll gradually get brighter. And then it goes back to that dim setting after about 30 seconds. And then it's also got a sleep function where it just stays in that dim setting. So let's go ahead, plug it in and test it out. Alexa, turn off the bedroom lights. So you'll notice it takes a second to turn on because it's got a photo sensor in the nightlight. So basically when the room has a lot of light around or it's daytime, the nightlight will turn off, and then at nighttime it'll automatically turn on. So right now it's in the night owl setting, and I'll move my hand around and you'll notice that the nightlight gradually gets brighter and that light is shining towards the wall. If you wait about 30 seconds, the light will gradually get dark again into that dim setting. So you'll notice that the light is slowly dimming again. That's because kicking on and off the light makes it harsh, and it might bother you when you're trying to go back to bed. Alexa, turn on the bedroom lights. So in a second here, it will also kick off the nightlight you just saw because it's detected light in the room. So that is a quick look at the Casper nightlight. It's basically a fancy nightlight that's well thought out. It's $18 on Amazon right now. I'll leave a link down below. Let me know if you would pay $18 for this nightlight. Some people find it very important to have a nightlight in the room, especially something well thought out like this. So let me know what you think. Please leave me a big thumbs up if you guys did find the video helpful. Subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.